cover has Golden Valley under a big surprise. These personalized phone covers set originality where needed. Some happy GB students and staff guarantee it.
My Take cover phone case is the greatest phone case in the history of cell phones. It has the cutest baby in the whole world on it with an LA Kings player, so you know that makes it fantastic.
I chose this because we can't really use like company logos, so I just chose a lion because lions are cool.
All right, so this phone cover is probably the cutest phone cover I've ever had on my phone because it has the people that I love on it, my husband and my babies. And lucky for me, Take Cover GV over in 308 made it for me, so it's nice and personalized and it looks nice and clean.
In room 308, we asked the great genius herself what these phone covers were really all about.
Welcome to room 308. We do a lot of chemistry in here. Why am I here showing you cool science? Because it has a lot to do with the new phones that we're making and selling as part of our fundraiser. Here's an example. Alright, so what exactly does science have to do with making these phone cases? These phone cases are made using the process of sublimation. Sublimation is simply going from a solid directly to a gas and skipping that liquid stage. The best example you guys know of is dry ice. Dry ice is minus 110 degrees Fahrenheit. And when you put it in a warmer environment like this classroom, it goes directly from a solid to a gas and it skips that liquid stage. And that makes it quite a bit of fun to play with. You can take chunks of it and put it into water. You've all seen this. And you end up seeing the water vapor. Actually, this is actually water vapor that's coming out of here. It's so cold. This is water with some clear Palmolive liquid in it. It makes some fun bubbles. And you can take these bubbles and pop them and release that carbon dioxide into the air. Sublimation, going directly from a solid to a gas. Our phone covers are printed exactly the same way. The ink that comes out of your inkjet printer evaporates, the gel in it evaporates, leaving the solid behind. And we expose it to extremely high temperatures, 400 degrees, and it actually turns it into a gas, and that gas penetrates the substrate, we call this. In this case, it's an aluminum disc that is your phone cover. So, science all around you, everywhere. Thank you, and please come buy a phone cover.
On the issue of copyright, Mrs. McCann informs us all about it.
Hello, I'm Mrs. McCann, your friendly librarian. You might be interested in printing out one of your own personalized iPhone covers to help support the fundraiser for goals. How should you do this? Well, many students want to search for some images on Google, which is awesome. So one of the things that I'm completely into right now is a mini pig. So if I wanted to make a phone cover with this darling little mini pig with rain boots, I could do an image search. Now the wonderful thing about Google is that I can find these images in the blink of an eye. But as a student and Mrs. Huffman, you guys need to be concerned about what's copyrighted and what's in the public domain. So Google makes it really easy for me to find really great pictures, but I don't know if these are able to be used because of copyright. What you can do within a Google image search is click on this link that says Search Tools. And underneath Search Tools, you're going to see something called Usage Rights. And we want to choose something that is either labeled for reuse with modification or labeled for reuse. Modification means that we would change it in some way. Labeled for reuse means that we can use it to do whatever we want with it, such as use it for a fundraiser. So when I click labeled for reuse, you're going to notice it reshuffles and gives me more images. And unfortunately, my really cute pig with the little rain boots isn't one of these. So you're going to have to kind of scroll through and see, is there something on here? I might have to change my search term, maybe just take out rain boots and just put mini pig and see what I get. And again, I'm still under search tools labeled for reuse. This really isn't what I wanted, but maybe I could use this one. That might make a nice iPhone cover.
Print out an application through the GBHS website, and for $20, design your own personalized take cover phone case.
Shebang!